Are you prepared to enhance your lifestyle using some of the most impressive technology you've ever witnessed? Get ready for an exciting experience as we introduce you to these incredible new technological devices that are about to revolutionize your world. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Inmo Air, a cutting-edge wearable technology that overlays computerized information into the real world. This intelligent and secure device offers a range of features, including a powerful processor, a high-definition side camera, advanced optical zoom, and gesture control for hands-free communication and information sharing. With GPS functionality, you can effortlessly navigate your surroundings, set your destination, and receive detailed directions right in front of your eyes. Capture the world from a first-person perspective without touching your phone. Inmo Air allows you to record videos and take photos seamlessly. Enjoy music while viewing the lyrics directly through the lens. Adjust volume or control playback by simply swiping the Inmo Air touchpad. Communicating with others has never been easier. Inmo Air facilitates effortless interaction with the outside world, all with the click of a button. It serves as your personal assistant, managing your daily schedule and displaying memos and notes through augmented reality. You can acquire an Inmo Air for the affordable price of $439 on Indiegogo. 3D House Printer. The 3D House Printer takes 3D printing to a new level. The autonomous robot construction system can be set up on a build state and construct a fully functional 1,900 square foot home in less than 48 hours. Built with concrete, this 3D printed house offers strength and durability surpassing traditional wood frame constructions. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an open floor plan. The concrete used for printing is 2 to 3 times stronger than most brick and block homes, making it a sustainable and cost-effective building process. This technology is particularly suitable for rebuilding areas affected by natural disasters, and the houses can be printed anywhere, including on elevated land to protect against floods and earthquakes. Once the structure is complete, contractors can add finishing touches to the interior and exterior, including on elevated land to protect against floods and earthquakes. Once the structure is complete, contractors can add finishing touches to the interior and exterior. Introducing Shine, a portable wind turbine capable of harnessing the power of wind and converting it into electrical energy. This remarkable device has the potential to revolutionize the world. Equipped with a built-in battery, it can store enough energy to fully charge up to 4 phones. It operates efficiently in a wide range of wind conditions from 8 to 28 miles per hour. What makes Shine truly impressive is its portability. It easily fits into any regular backpack, allowing you to charge your devices using wind power no matter where you are in the world. Weighing less than 3 pounds, the entire device can be set up in as little as 2 minutes. Although Shine is not currently available for sale, we anticipate its launch in the near future. You can support Shine now on Kickstarter for just $290. Mojo Eye Lens. One of these groundbreaking inventions is the Mojo Eye Lens. This revolutionary smart contact lens projects digital information directly onto your eyes, eliminating the need for screens. Whether it's text messages, emails, maps, or directions, you can view it all with ease. The Mojo Eye Lens is incredibly thin, comfortable, and adaptable to any eye shape. It's ideal for busy professionals who need to stay connected on the move, as well as individuals who want to receive notifications conveniently without frequently checking their phones. Introducing Stratosfera Acquatica, a groundbreaking innovation in ocean travel that will revolutionize your experience on the water. This state-of-the-art boating device offers unparalleled luxury, comfort, and safety features, allowing you to explore the seas like never before. Designed with your safety in mind, the Acquatica comes equipped with a cutting-edge safety device that ensures your escape from the vehicle in case of emergencies. For those seeking adventure and versatility, the Acquatica boasts an e-scooter capable of traversing any terrain you can imagine. No obstacle will stand in your way. To enhance your focus during challenging workdays, the Acquatica also includes a specially designed helmet that promotes concentration and mental clarity. This two-seater vehicle glides smoothly across the water, surpassing the performance of traditional boats. With easy-to-use controls similar to a boat, it offers a seamless transition for new drivers. Powered by two propellers, the Acquatica offers effortless maneuverability, allowing you to navigate through the water with precision. While in motion, the cockpit remains sealed, providing an airtight and watertight environment. However, when you desire, simply open the hatch to embrace the refreshing air and cooling breeze of the water. Adjusting the vehicle's speed is a breeze, enabling you to enjoy a leisure cruise or engage in exhilarating high-speed travel. As for pricing, details about the cost of the Stratosfera Acquatica are yet to be announced. Stay tuned for more information on this extraordinary piece of technology. Coming up next is Crown, an extraordinary device that enhances focus and productivity during work or intense gaming sessions. It effectively mutes smartphone notifications and stimulates your brain, allowing you to achieve unprecedented levels of concentration. With Crown, you can enter a flow state and stay in the zone. The device incorporates 8 EEG sensors, 2 haptic motors, and an NFC chip for seamless functionality with NFC-enabled devices. Powered by a 1.8 GHz processor, a 400 MHz coprocessor, and 8 GB of flash storage, Crown offers up to 3 hours of continuous usage before requiring a recharge. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.